Hey, so I got an update. Okay. My video cut off last time. I don't remember where it's at. Whatever. So, anyways, what I have is I have it so that um, reading in serial through the USB, I can hit my F and it goes forward. Hit S to stop. B for back. S to stop. L for left. The wheels go one way. You can tell by the motor driver there. And stop. And then R for the other way. Both of them are green. And stop. Okay, so another thing I've done is I've implemented a parallax ping sensor. Pretty easy. The onboard electronics, they do all the first round of processing of the signal, and it's pretty easy to read in through some code from there. It's just sending in a signal into one of my pins. So what I can do here is I turn it on, F, and I have it set so that it's just a simple collision detection right now. If I get within 15 centimeters, it'll stop. So eventually, I'm gonna make it so that there's these little ping sensors, on all these corners here. And I think I already said this in the last video, but I have it on these corners here, and it'll, as it approaches some object, it'll start to slow down or a little bit course correct. It'll turn a slight right or slight left, depending. If it's just head on straight, then it'll just stop and make a on a dime type of turn. Now the other thing that I've done is, if you look here, it has the outputs. But the other thing that I've done, and that I'm still kind of struggling with a little bit, I haven't figured it out yet. So I have my little Blue Smurf Bluetooth device right there. There you go. And I've set it up so it's on port 5 here. So just to verify, I have it here. You have to pair it. The default pairing code is 1234. If I go to the properties here, we'll see that my port settings here, 9600 baud, and it says the port is COM5 right there. Oh wait, I just seen some. What's this out there? Okay, all right. If we look here, yep, it's it's port 5. It's paired. If you look right here on the Smurf, it's red flashing. It's not connected to device. I'll go ahead and I'll start up PuTTY, and I'll open up my COM5, and you'll see this blue Smurf turn to green. So now that means it has an active connection. I should be able to just send serial data to it and it responds. But as you see, it's not working. And the ping output should be going in there. I have my code here. It's basically saying, if a Bluetooth connection is available, it's greater than 0. Maybe I need to take that little portion out. I don't know. I'll test that next. Read in whatever value that is, cast it as a character type of variable, and set it to command 1, and then it does some interpretations. And through every loop here, it's running my ping. So I've created my ping function, which is down here, which is basically getting all the distance. And this code is I found it in the Arduino site, and I just modified it just a little bit to get my Bluetooth. And so I've tried with just the print, and I've tried with the write, to just trying to get it so that it feeds back information through my Bluetooth-based serial connection. No luck so far. I'm going to go ahead and try this, removing that. So we'll go ahead and close my putty connection. Yes, I want to close it. And it's on a different dedicated port, so if I just go pink, 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 pink. There we go. And if I go ahead and upload that. Uploading COM3, done uploading. Sweet. Okay, so now I should be able to go here, go to COM5, boost mode turned on, no output to putty, and it doesn't respond to serial commands. I'm not sure. So I got this book here, and pretty good book, a lot of code examples, walk you through stuff, just kind of helps you, you know, get your bearings a little bit. So doing the same type of thing kind of with my code. Although, wait a second. So what they did here is they're using the Bluetooth class to read in under the Bluetooth available function, or conditional block, and they're saying serial write, so that's saying write it out to the serial connection, which in this case is going to be my USB, and then vice versa here through my Bluetooth. Whereas my code, if Bluetooth is available, write it out to Bluetooth. If my serial connection is available, write it out to my serial connection. As you can see here, so Bluetooth available, you know, write it, Bluetooth.write, and yeah, and then under my serial, if serial's available, serial.println. The only difference between these codes is, you know, they don't have that greater than 0. So I have it in there, and I think it's okay, because it's basically saying if there's some data there on this connection, then do stuff. Otherwise, don't bother. Code efficiency, I guess, or execution efficiency, processor efficiency. Hopefully, in the long run, that would save battery life, etc., etc. So I don't know why this is. I don't know why this is not working. I'm going to play around with a little bit more, try and figure it out. I don't know. I've done everything they said in this little section. It's just a little dinky section. I've looked online. I haven't picked up anything. Just gonna have to do research on why it's not communicating. So that's all I got right now. Later.